Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a TIAA account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your TIAA account, start by visiting the official TIAA website. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login screen. Beneath the login fields, you will find an option that says Activate your account. Click on the Activate your account link to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your personal information. Input your social security number in the designated field. Next, provide your date of birth. Then, enter your email address that is associated with your TIAA account. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Continue button. You might receive a prompt to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided to complete the identity verification process. After verification, you will be able to create your login credentials. Choose a secure username and password that you will remember. Once you've created your username and password, confirm your choice by re-entering your password. After that, review the terms and conditions provided by TIAA. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Finally, click the Submit button to finalize your account activation. You should receive a confirmation of your account activation via email shortly after. Now you can return to the TIAA login page and enter your new credentials. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your TIAA account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.